thank you so much for having me. I appreciate you. I love
Thank
your,
you for
your
having me.
meatball sub, by the way. Toasted is my favorite.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Oh, it's so good. So we're here at Yianni's down on South River Road in Bedford, and can you just ask a few questions and have them tell us a little bit about the business. So how long have you owned the business?
I've owned this location, it's 3 years to this April.
All right, awesome. 3 years.
Yeah.
How long have you been in the food industry?
In the food industry, I've been, I'm going to the 12th year now.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Is this your first place you've owned?
No. I used to own a place in Vermont.
Okay.
In Barry, Vermont. It was called Basil's Pizzeria.
Yeah.
I stayed there for 4 years, but my wife didn't like the remote location in Vermont. You know?
Barry's a little bit remote, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. So we wanted to move down to Hampshire. We have more family down here,
Okay.
or closer to here.
Gotcha. Obviously, you have a passion for food. Where did that come from?
So I'm Greek.
I guess that.
Our life revolves, sort of say, around food. So whenever we celebrate something, there's a big feast. Whenever we even when we mourn something, we eat. In my culture.
Okay.
So our life revolves around food.
So when COVID hit, I know it affected everybody differently. Did it have an impact on your business when it first hit?
Yes, quite a bit. First of all, we lost a lot of employees.
Yeah.
Some of them were they were afraid to work. We had a few elderly employees that they didn't want to. They didn't. There wasn't a problem per se, but they weren't comfortable working.
Sure. Understood.
And the business went down a little bit because people were afraid to get takeout. You know, the first few months of COVID, plus we tried to minimize the menu because we didn't have enough help.
Gotcha.
So we had to do more stuff ourselves,
Okay.
and it's difficult to run a kitchen with no help and a huge menu.
Oh yeah. No, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah, so we're a small family business. We're trying to compete. We're trying to stay afloat and stuff. But the environment right now is not friendly.
Yeah.
Like out of the 10 years I've been in the business, the 11, 12 years I've been in the business, this is the most difficult period.
What do you think is why do customers keep coming back to you? What's some of the favorites that people love that always, other than my meatball toast, meatball sub, which I love?
Thank you. I think it's the quality of food that we do, or I think we have the best pizza.
Of course.
But if you don't promote your product, we try to do as much as possible from scratch. So we do fresh dough every day.
Oh, nice.
We form our pizzas ourselves, like I was doing before.
Yeah.
We do cheese 3 times a week. We grind our own cheese, our own blend. We do pizza sauce, our own pizza sauce, 3 to 4 times a week. So we try to do as much as possible ourselves, and that is reflected to the product.
So what are the hours? Are you guys open 7 days a week? Or?
So we're right now. We used to be open 7 days a week. Right now we're doing 6 days a week, just because we needed 1 day off.
You gotta, yeah. If you're otherwise you're gonna burn out.
Right, and we didn't have enough employees to cover the 6 days, the 7 days. So we're doing Monday through Saturday. Starting on next week, we're gonna be open until 8.
Okay.
Wintertime we close Monday to Wednesday at 7.
Okay.
So it's 11 to 8 every day from Monday to Saturday.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So delivery.
We do have quite a bit of delivery. We deliver to Merrimack, Litchfield, some of Bedford. Not the whole Merrimack. Some of Merrimack. We're trying to do like 5-mile radius. Okay. We do some of Manchester, like Brown Ave.
I appreciate your time. Easy to find, right off of down on the south end of South River Road, almost on the Merrimack line, right?
Almost, yes.
Yeah, it's almost on the Merrimack line. In a little plaza, you can't miss it. Great food. Definitely got to check it out. And Andres, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.